just wanted to do a short video to talk to you about canning syrups for fruit. I've been canning pears today and dehydrating them, and there's a simple rule to remember for your sugar syrup that goes in any kind of fruit that you're canning. It's not flavored, it's just a simple sugar syrup. And the way you remember it is, if for a light syrup you want 1 quart of water to 1 cup of sugar. For a sort of light medium, you want 1 quart of water for 2 cups of sugar. For a medium, like a heavy medium, not a light medium, heavy the next, you want 1 quart of water to 3 cups of sugar. And for a heavy syrup, you want 1 quart of water to 4 to 5 cups of sugar. So it's really easy just to count down. Of course, then you have to figure out how much, 1 quart is going to get you 4 cups of syrup. And you're probably going to be putting half to 1 cup of syrup per quart. That's just an estimate. It depends on, how many crevices and stuff and you are in between your fruit. What kind of fruit you're doing. The bigger pieces, smaller pieces. Always take a knife and slide it down and get your bubbles out of there. But that's an easy way to remember your canning syrup, sugar syrup for your fruit. And I know this is just a short video because I am in the middle of pears. So, and if you've been following the video, you know that huge old pear tree of mine likes to give pears every year. And we had a particularly poor year last year, but it's making up for it this year. So that's a quick way to remember your sugar syrup for canning fruits. And I will post it, the written thing up here on the video and also in the description box. So this has been Angie from Canterbury Trails Farm. Y'all stay cool canning all that food. Bye.